In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Salesforce version. This is a crucial step for Salesforce administrators or users who want to keep up to date with the latest features and ensure compatibility with other platforms. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. To begin, please make sure you are logged into your Salesforce account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right side of the page. In this area, you'll notice the Quick Settings icon. This is a really useful tool that allows you to access various settings and configurations quickly, without the need to rummage through multiple menus. It's designed to simplify your navigation process and help you get where you need to go with minimal effort. After you've opened the Quick Settings, you'll see an option labeled Setup. Go ahead and click on this link. It will open up a more detailed settings menu, which will include what we're looking for today. In this section, you might see a wide range of options, and it can seem a bit overwhelming if you aren't familiar with all of them. Fortunately, Salesforce provides an excellent solution: the search function. You're now going to make use of the search function within the setup area. In the Quick Find search bar, which is usually located to the left of your screen, type in API. This search bar is immensely helpful when you're looking for specific settings or features without wanting to scroll through the entire setup menu list. By typing in API, you efficiently narrow down the options to those relevant to your current task. Once you've entered API into the search bar, the search results will display an option for API under the Integration section. Click on that option. You're already getting close to the finish line. From here, you'll want to click on Generate Enterprise WSDL, which appears under the Enterprise WSDL heading. While this might sound a bit technical, it's quite straightforward. The WSDL, or Web Services Description Language file, is a valuable resource as it includes important details about your Salesforce instance, specifically the version number you're looking for. Once you click, the page will load your WSDL file, which you can review to locate your specific Salesforce version. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to check the Salesforce version. This knowledge is particularly beneficial for those coordinating system upgrades or integrating new tools with Salesforce to ensure everything is compatible. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and assist you further. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Salesforce tips and tutorials. Have a great day.